You gotta do your Steve Irwin a little louder. I don't think my camera's picking it up.
If I was gonna do that, I would get in front of the camera.
We'll go get in front of the camera.
Last time I did that.
We'll go catch an eagle. We'll take it home. I'll call Kay now and ask her if we can keep it.
Oh, that's badass. Oh, tell me it's not about to lay eggs. Next round. Oh no, it's probably protecting whatever he's trying to catch. She's trying to catch the bird. See?
She may just be sunbathing.
Could be. Can you see it?
What?
The bird in the video?
Yeah. It's about as big as my thumbnail on my screen.
You probably get closer.
Just to remind myself, this is not going on YouTube. This is most likely a federal offense. Hopefully, I don't get fucked up by a big fucking bird. Why would a large bird of prey be on the ground? Tom, I think it's sick. I think it's sick. You know how I always say that there's no such thing as a shark attack? You know, I mean, because once you get in the water, you're no longer top of the food chain. As soon as this motherfucker comes out of the air, he's no longer top of the food chain. Dude, I'm still not gonna fuck with you. Because I don't have a gun. They'd have never believed it possible if they didn't find pictures of it finally in a trap camera. But there's eagles in Russia that hunt deer. They come down, if they get hungry enough, they'll land on the deer's back where the deer can't reach it, claw in, and bite through the spinal column. And then pick the tasty parts off the deer and leave it.